Tesla's phone key feature uses Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE, to allow your smartphone to communicate with your vehicle for unlocking, locking, and starting. This wireless technology provides convenient keyless access, but disconnections can happen due to several common factors. At its core, the phone key uses Bluetooth Low Energy, a power-efficient wireless technology. BLE maintains a constant connection between your phone and vehicle using minimal battery power, relying on signal strength indicators to detect proximity and trigger actions like auto-locking when you walk away. Disconnections typically stem from three main causes. First, Bluetooth interference from devices like Wi-Fi routers operating on the same 2.4 GHz frequency band can disrupt the BLE connection. Second, your phone's battery optimization settings may limit the Tesla app's background activity to conserve power. Third, weak Bluetooth signal strength due to distance, physical obstacles, or crowded areas can cause dropouts. To identify these issues, watch for error notifications in the Tesla app, check Bluetooth connection stability in your phone's settings, and pay attention to patterns like frequent disconnections in specific locations or after certain actions. Low battery alerts or problems with proximity-based features often signal the root cause. The first step in troubleshooting Bluetooth connection stability is to ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and functioning properly. Open your phone's quick settings and confirm the Bluetooth toggle is on. Next, try restarting both your phone and the Tesla app. Close the app completely from your recent apps, then reopen it. A full phone restart can resolve temporary connectivity issues. To refresh your Bluetooth connection, toggle airplane mode on and off. This disables and re-enables all wireless connections, including Bluetooth, which can clear up connection issues. Check for potential interference from other wireless devices. Wi-Fi routers operating on the 2.4 GHz frequency band can disrupt Bluetooth signals. Move away from crowded areas with multiple Bluetooth devices to improve stability. In your phone's Bluetooth settings, locate your Tesla device in the paired list. Select Forget this device to remove it, then search for and re-pair with your Tesla vehicle to establish a fresh connection. If Bluetooth issues continue after trying these steps, consider using a dedicated Bluetooth key device or fob. These specialized devices provide more consistent connectivity than smartphone-based keys. Phone key disconnections often result from your phone's aggressive battery management features. These settings can shut down background apps like the Tesla app, disrupting the Bluetooth connection. To fix this, whitelist the Tesla app in your phone's battery settings. This prevents the operating system from killing the app when it's running in the background, ensuring the phone key connection stays active. On iOS, navigate to Settings, then Battery, and ensure Background App Refresh is enabled for the Tesla app. This allows it to run in the background without interruption. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, select Tesla, then Battery, and set it to Don't Optimize or whitelist it to prevent restrictions. Low power mode, especially when your battery drops below 20%, can severely impact Bluetooth connections. Keep your phone charged above this threshold to maintain stable phone key functionality. As a best practice, charge your phone regularly and avoid letting it drop too low. This ensures consistent Bluetooth performance for your Tesla phone key. For Android users specifically, disable adaptive battery in your battery settings. This feature can restrict the Tesla app even after whitelisting, so turning it off helps maintain the connection. The Tesla app relies on location permissions to determine when you're near your car. Without proper location access, the app cannot accurately detect proximity for features like auto lock and unlock. Calibrate proximity settings within the Tesla app, often labeled as proximity lock, to adjust the Bluetooth signal sensitivity. This helps fine-tune how close you need to be for the app to detect your presence. Avoid obstructions like metal objects that can interfere with Bluetooth signals, especially in crowded environments. Metal surfaces and dense crowds can weaken or block the Bluetooth connection between your phone and Tesla. In the Tesla control panel, you can verify that proximity settings are working correctly. The Locks menu shows the current state of your vehicle's access system. Software updates are crucial for maintaining a stable phone key connection. Start by ensuring both your Tesla vehicle firmware and the Tesla app are running the latest versions. Begin by checking the App Store on your smartphone for any available Tesla app updates. These updates often include improvements to Bluetooth stability and connectivity features. Next, access your car's settings menu to check for firmware updates. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that specifically address phone key disconnections and other connectivity issues. These over-the-air updates improve Bluetooth performance and fix known compatibility problems. Outdated software on either your phone or vehicle can lead to incompatibility and frequent disconnections. Remember that Tesla firmware version 11 or higher is required for full phone key functionality. Keeping everything current ensures optimal performance and reliability. When basic troubleshooting steps fail, advanced options like clearing the Tesla app's cache or resetting Bluetooth can resolve persistent connection issues. Clearing the app's cache removes temporary data that might cause glitches. On Android devices, navigate to Settings, select Apps, find the Tesla app, tap Storage, and clear the cache. Then restart the app to apply changes. As a last resort, reset your phone's Bluetooth settings. First, turn Bluetooth off and on in your phone's settings. If that doesn't work, reset network settings entirely. Note that you'll need to repair the Tesla app with your vehicle and all other Bluetooth devices. Review device limits, as iOS only allows one Bluetooth low-energy peripheral connection at a time. Android devices may have similar restrictions. Make sure no other apps are competing for BLE connections, as this can cause disconnections. Tesla is transitioning to ultra-wideband technology for its phone key system, beginning with the Cybertruck and future models. UWB delivers more accurate proximity detection, significantly reducing disconnections from interference compared to current Bluetooth low-energy methods. UWB offers precise ranging up to 10 meters and resists multipath interference, addressing common issues in urban environments or near metal structures. This technology will be implemented in the Cybertruck and upcoming vehicles like the Model 2 by 2026. Expect seamless integration with Apple Wallet and AI-driven diagnostics in the Tesla app, which will proactively identify and resolve potential connectivity problems before they occur. Beta testing is currently active for select users, providing a glimpse of this more reliable phone key experience. Many users have found success by disabling share across devices in iOS Bluetooth settings or adjusting RSSI thresholds in urban environments with Signal Multipath. Whitelisting the Tesla app in Android battery settings is another common fix. User forums like Tesla Motors Club are great resources for finding specific solutions based on your phone model and software version. Always test any fixes thoroughly in varied environments.